So we're not going to be putting any vocals during the drop. This is just for the breakdown. The chorus is the synths and the music. That's kind of going to be the emphasis on the chorus or on the drop. But for the breakdown, we can definitely add some vocals here. So let's see here how it sounds. Okay, so we're out of key. We have to change the key. And that's why I have this guy. So our track is in B major. Now, there's always a counter note to every note. So for instance, B major, the counter note in the minor scale of that is G sharp minor. Therefore, this is A minor. If I transpose it to G sharp minor, it'll sound in key. So that would be one down, one semitone down. Change that down. Let's go to Complex Pro, just because the algorithm is a little bit better and it kind of sounds higher quality when you change the pitch of the vocal here.
Keep me closer, don't need closure, 'cause I don't want it to end. Yeah.
And there you go. Now it's in key. So it's really catchy. I think this will work perfectly for the breakdown. And since there's a bunch of little phrases here, we could just transpose a bunch of these and see if we can actually get a full verse out of them. So let's see if we can find a second one here.
We are young. Don't know what I'm missing. Don't know what I'm missing. I'm climbing mountains to get to you. Ooh la la. Ooh la. I wanna put you in my pocket. Meet me in the back of the room, back of the party. Knowing we'll recover. I feel safe in your arms. I don't wanna get too close, 'cause I've been hurt before. You're giving me tonight. I don't wanna get too close. You know nobody can do what you do. Where do we go from here? Give my life color. You give my life color, color, color. Talking to myself and I can't focus. Yeah, I'm broken. The door is closing.
That might work. It might not. It might work. Okay, so this one is labeled in E major, so we don't have to worry about using the chart. We can just go ahead and transpose it up until we get to B. So that'll be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 semitones up. Or we can go down to the lower octave. We can go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 down or 7 up. Let's try both. Oh, I forgot to hit warp. If you hit warp and then you change, or you don't hit warp and then you change the semitones, it shrinks the vocal. When you hit warp, it anchors it, and then it changes the pitch without changing the timing. All right, so 7 up, and then let's go to Pro.
Talking to myself and I can't focus. Yeah, I'm broken. The door is closing. I wanna be a part of something more than this. I've lost control of it. I've lost control.
All right, let's bring these up.
Talking to myself and I can't focus. Yeah, I'm broken. The door keep me closer. Don't need closure, 'cause I don't want it to end. Yeah. Talking to myself and I can't focus. Yeah, I'm broken. The door is closed.
Okay, so there's going to be a couple of adjustments we're going to make here. Let's use this one. And I kind of want the guitar to just play on its own to kind of set up the vocal.
Keep me closer. Don't need closure, 'cause I don't want it to end. Yeah.
Okay, we have to adjust it, obviously. It's a little bit too loud. You want the music to be a little bit louder in this case than a vocal. Like when it gets to this part. Okay, and let's add a little bit of an effect here. A cool thing I like to do is just add a quick reverse tail to lead into the vocal. So something like this, maybe. I'll show you what I mean. Something like that, maybe. Okay, so we're just gonna quickly add a reverb here. We're gonna make it real big. Maybe not that big. Okay, then we're gonna freeze it. Flatten it. And then simply reverse it. Let's see what we get. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. Yeah, that's cool. That's exactly what I want to do. All right. And let's lower the volume to make it a little subtle. And then let's add a little bit more reverb on it, just so it doesn't have to drop off right away. And then let's add one more right here, right before the chords come in. All right, so let's figure out where to do or where to put this thing here, or the buildup. Should we have vocals in the buildup?